Hey Tanvi,
Hi Rajul,
hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, Tanvi, how's all going on?
Yeah, all is going on really very well.
Okay,
And thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
thank you. First of all, thank you for giving your time, your precious time in this for this short interview.
My pleasure.
And for in such a short notice, you were so kind. All right. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you for the course which you had recently completed, ID course. So
Thank you.
like you are wonderful. I believe you are wonderful in your class and everything. So
Thank you.
can you please can you brief me about yourself, a participant, like about your past experiences and how basically you are enrolled yourself in this course, like.
Sure. So, till the time my past experience has been concerned, I have worked in media industry as well as in IT industry.
Okay.
And it's been like for 5 years for me right now that I am working. And one day I was sitting in an HR department and I was wondering that, am I satisfied with whatever I'm doing? It was like for 8 months for me within that organization. And that thought all of a sudden came into my mind. Certainly I realized, I'm looking forward towards something wherein there is lots of learning, wherein I could learn new other aspects of, let it be software or let it be some other kind of a training, and through which people could also benefit. So this thought came to my mind, and I started working as a personality development trainer, wherein I was basically imparting training on communication skills. I was imparting training on emotional question, intention question. And then I was like, why not in the professional background? Why work as a freelance? So
Correct.
then I thought it's better to just go ahead and research on computer about L&D and ID. And then when I kept on researching, I realized as if ID is one of the great streams wherein I can get an opportunity so as to create good learning experiences for the learners and so as to impart a good knowledge to them. So this is how I got into this course.
Great. So in nutshell, we can say you are from learning and development background, correct?
So I have recently joined Learning and Development thanks to Henry Harvin for the certification course that I got, and I was able to promote myself into that department, and by God's grace also. Thanks.
Okay. So you don't have experience, like you have core experience in media industry for different profile, correct?
So in media industry, I was working as educational sales officer. I had to take care
Okay.
of the subscription or maximizing the subscription of students' newspaper. And yeah, so then also I was not at all focused on selling. One of the company gave me an opportunity wherein I could expand out my role. And that is something which fascinated me. It intrigued me because then I was actually looking forward for the resources for conducting workshop at school, for the places where students could visit, and they could also get reduced ticket rates so that their entry is easy, and for the film festivals that they conduct and so on. So I really liked the opportunity that they had given me, and this is what made my mindset that, okay, I would like to learn and learn and learn whatever comes around me, and that is why I chose this stream.
Amazing. So Tanvi, like, how was your experience in Henry Heavens, like with related to your with pursuant to this ID course, like what is your experience?
Oh, it was amazing. The more I'll say, the less words there will be. It was really
Thank
amazing.
you so much.
So you're welcome. And so Henry Harvins isn't among those institutes which just focuses on gaining money or which just focuses on the business aspect. It is more of learner-centric institute. That is what I felt like. I was really so impressed to note that there's 100% job assistant, and that continues even if you're not learning any course. Once you've pursued the course, then you can just go ahead back and raise any kind of a ticket at your LMS as well. That is the facility available to you throughout your lifetime. And
Correct.
the first facility that I was talking about, that was 100% job assistant. So this was like amazing. They rather help you to join out the WhatsApp group. They drop mails and they would rather help you out with the job assistance. So with the jobs, I'm sorry. And this is how I really like working with the company. There are hundreds plus courses that they're offering, and as I said, it forms a backbone. Something like which is money centric really doesn't form a backbone
Correct.
for any kind of a learner personality. But if
Correct.
you are just focusing on such things wherein there are a few queries which were taken up by the organization in such a great way that I was wondering whether it could be accommodated or not. But Henry Harvin accommodated it so swiftly, and I really had that inclination towards the organization since then. So it was a great experience overall.
Great. So Tanvi, like, why did you choose this ID course? Like, if I wanted to ask you, like you're from sales background and the profile is completely different. So, what make you to choose this ID course? Like, how you
All
did the R&D, and when you got to know that you wanted to pursue this course, like.
All right. So, I was actually working in sales. That, as you said, was something very right. But somewhere or the other, I realized as if I'm done up with the sales work. I really want to learn new things around. I want to learn how do the softwares work. I want to
Right.
learn, if there's a fire extinguisher to be used, how can I use the fire extinguisher? How can I
Correct.
use the fire extinguisher? There are health and safety tools around. How come I can use the health and
Correct.
safety tools around? So this was something like which fascinated me, and I was like, I want to go get into a stream wherein I can learn all such things, wherein I can train myself as well as I can train out others. So this is how this thought actually crept in my mind. And that is why I was able to just go ahead and pursue out this stream for L&D. And also, if I look at the perspective that technology has changed the business environment completely, there isn't anything like that the technology has untouched. So with the changing environment, the organizations also expect the employees to be very agile, to be very adaptive, to deliver out the results with the help of technology or any other change as fast as possible. And L&D and ID helps in that case. So L&D does the gap analysis, and instructional designer is a person who would just like to go ahead, do the need assessment, do the training evaluation, who would focus on designing the content and making the training journey successful. It isn't about just imparting of the knowledge, it is also about the implementation of the knowledge that matters. So somewhere or the other, ID plays a crucial role. And especially if I talk about during this time, that is the lockdown time, it is playing such a crucial role that in order to retain the employees, most of the organizations are giving opportunity for the employees to learn out new things. And that is where L&D again comes into the role and ID again comes into the role. So I really like this stream, and this is what helped me in pursuing it.
Correct. Correct. That's great. That's great. So, Joe rightly said. Tanvi, I just wanted to ask, like, how was your experience with trainer? Like,
Oh, it
how was
was
the overall
amazing.
experience?
It was really amazing. It
Can
was an
can you can
amazing.
you can you please tell us more elaborately, like, how
Yeah,
was
sure.
that trainer and everything?
Of course, I will do that. So my trainer name was Mohammed Tanveer Akram, and he has
Like,
got an experience of 14 years. Now, there are a few teachers who will just come, give the lecture, and go away. He is not at all one among those. Not at all. The more I'll say, as I said earlier, the more I'll say, the less words will shortfall off. So I would like to say he was the one who was imparting the theoretical knowledge with the practical examples. So he started up with the definition of instructional designing, and the very first example that he gave was that there are play cards which are there in aeroplane as well as in train, and that just fascinated me. Instructional designing within very small forms is present each and everywhere around us. We just don't realize it that it's a part of instructional designing somewhere or the other. So he actually stated all the theoretical concepts associated with the practical knowledge. And apart from that, he told where ID can be brought into use, where ID cannot be brought into use. There were a few examples with that regards also, because ID is not used in each and every statement. Now, if I talk about him as a career or a mentor, as a career coach or a mentor, so I would like to say that he also helped us know that in which stream ID is the most evolving role, and in which stream ID wouldn't be so much so evolved. So he actually helped us in such a great way, and I felt really very satisfied. And I was like, okay, he's a great trainer to work to learn from.
great, great, great. Like, this was so amazing. I hope Mr. Mohammed will listen this. He will
Sure.
definitely smile. He will get a big smile on his face that student were appreciated by this.
Mhm.
Okay. So, Tani, if I wanted to say that, what message you wanted to give for a newcomer or a fresher, okay, who are taking the same path like you, and they wanted to switch their career to this way, like the
Mhm.
disaster change has been changed from sales to the learning and development. You
Correct.
know,
Right. I agree.
what tips or what best suggestion you will would you like to give them? Like,
So the best
I think this
suggestion,
would be a more interesting question for you.
right, correct. So do whatever give you happiness and satisfaction. That is the first concept onto which I completely believe. So if you feel like that you want to learn lots of things, you want to help out others with the help of the training, so go ahead in L&D and ID. If you are very creative in your stream, if you feel like you have got that design thinking ability, if you feel you have got that out of the box thinking questions with yourself, and if you feel as if you're a good problem solver, just go ahead and hit the nail. And most of the people nowadays, they're like that, oh, it's very boring, you know, it's all about theoretical. No, it's actually about the practical implementation. You will feel satisfied the day when you see the trainees are actually implementing it. So it's all about the practical implementation that matters in this stream. So somewhere or the other, my second advice would be that just don't run after money, because I have seen most of the people in today's life, they're like, oh, I need so much money. So the fact over here is that I completely appreciate that fact, you know, and I agree to that fact that money is something which is really very important and forms the basis of the happiness. No denial in that. But if you are working very hard, if you prove your own worth, if you are like being proactive in the organization, then organization would definitely not like to lose on a person like you, and they will definitely get a good increment. So salary as well as a work with dedication and all aligned to your clear objective. That is something that I would like freshers to be aware about.
Correct. I completely agree with you. The newcomers or anyone, they should be very much clear with their objective, with their goal, where they wanted to go. Because not getting in any goal and they just pursue it any course, it won't make any difference to them. As correctly said, Tanvi, it was a great session, great and inspiring session. I hope the participants, the newcomers who will be watching this video, they will really enjoy, and they will definitely get to go the new things, the new learning things from you. All right, Tanvi, thank you so much for your time. It was pleasure meeting you. All right.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye.